So welcome back. So now we are gonna give this HTML styling. So let's create another file which is style.css, and in here I just want to paste my color in here. If you want to use this color, you can go to my GitHub repository and I put the link in the description below. I just want to show you how the dark mode is work. It's just so very simple. Basically, just want to change the body color, background to, let's say, I just want to use this primary color, so that's primary color, and save. And it's not do anything because we don't yet connect it in here. So link, let's see that, save, and now we have a blue color. What does mean about this dark theme equals dark, and we get another variable in here. Okay, I just want to show you. So let's using a secondary color, because in primary color we don't have really contrast because it's still blue, but in secondary color, in root, we have a white, and in the dark we have a dark. Okay, so let's try to save that, and now we have a white, right, because it's come from here. And the idea is so really simple, and in HTML right here we are gonna send data dash theme, and it should be equals to dark, and that's it. When I save this, now it should be looking for this thing right here, and they're looking for secondary color, which is this color, and now we have black in this login form. That's the idea, and it's so easy if you follow along this tutorial. So before that, we are gonna styling this login. It's gonna be look like this. Oh yeah, we need to connect it to my Phone Awesome, right? So let's go to phoneawesome.com, and you can log in and go to this account right here, and you can go to kits. If you don't have yet, you can create new kit right here, but I have already in here. So just copy kit code and paste in the HTML in here. So save, and now we have a icon right here. No, wait, where is that? Oh yeah, we need to give a dash in here. I forget that, sorry about that, guys. Save, and now we have the logo. Cool. So go to the style.css, and we need to just remove the margin and padding, margin 0, padding 0, and the box sizing, let's set to the border box. Okay, so let's select the body. We need to give a font family, Roboto. Let's looking for fonts.google.com. So this is what I'm using, so let's add that out. Let's import with CSS, so just put very top in CSS right here, and now we can be able to using this font. Paste, and second option, let's say sans serif. All right, let's give a line height. Let's say 1.6. What happening? 1.6. Save, and let's take a look. Here we go. And let's give a background color. Background, let's set to bg color, bg dash color, which is this color, which is white right here. Okay, so if we're using data theme dark, it should be changing to this color. Okay, color, and we're gonna using text color, and let's give a transition all is 0.4 second. And let's save, and here it is. Let's remove the data theme right here. Save, and it should be white background and black color text. Alright, so let's select the header, which is right here, and we're gonna set the display to flex. So really easy to create header using display flex, and this is what we have. Really cool. All right, let's say line items center, center, and say justify content to space between. Save, and now we have a header. Just easy like that. So let's give a padding, so we need to more space in here. So padding 1 rem top and bottom, and 2 rem for the left and right. So here we go, we get a heading, right? It's so really easy. And let's styling the brand logo. So let's go brand dash logo, and we need to give a font family. Basically we are gonna using another font. Let's search for Rectios, or I don't know how to pronounce this word. So let's import in this right here. We're gonna remove this and paste in here. And now we can be able to using this color, this font right here. Okay, save, and back to the CSS and paste in here. And second is say cursive. Save and take a look in here. Here we go. We have a logo. Okay, so let's give more size. So font size to 1.5 rem. Save, and now we have a logo. Really cool. So let's start in the navigation. So now UL line, and we need to remove the underline. So text decoration to none. Save, decoration is gone. No. Should be attack, not ally. Let's see. Alright, so what I'm doing in here. So let's create the UL, and we are gonna cut everything in here and put inside a UL. So save, and now the underline is gone. Cool. So let's give a margin left, set to rem, and to margin left, man. And let's give a color to text color. Let's say text color, and give a font weight to bold. Now save, and here we go. Okay, so I think we're done with the header. So let's move to the hero section. Let's say give a comment in here. So hero section. So let's select the section with the ID hero. Remember, we have that in the HTML, right here. What we need to do is create a margin top and bottom for RAM. Okay, save, and here we go. Yeah, I think that's it for the section. So let's go to the container and give a padding in here, top and bottom to 0, left and right to RAM. So we have a space in here. Really cool. So let's grab the hero wrap, hero test wrap, and let's set the display to grid, and let's create a grid template column to one fraction because this is just one column, and say grid gap, which is the space between the item inside a grid. Let's set to RAM, and we have space between the item in here. So let's styling the quote, say quote, and let's grab the quote wrap and paragraph, which is everything in here. Okay, so what we need to do is change the font size to something like 1 rem. Let's make it that little bigger, so 1.2 rem, I think. Yeah, here we go. I'm happy with that. So let's go to the margin bottom, and we are gonna add 1 rem. Yeah, give a color to, let's say, dash text color. And now let's styling this thing right here. So quote wrap and em, we are gonna make this a bold. So font weight, say bold, and let's make that a little bigger. So the font size, let's change to 1.3 rem, and let's change the color to dash secondary text color. Save, and here we go. Cool. Alright, so now let's styling the input right here. So give a comment again, say input. Whoa. Say login wrap dash box. Let's say background to secondary color, not secondary text, secondary color. Cool. And let's give a box shadow, say dash box shadow. Now we have a shadow. It should be come from here. Box shadow is the shadow I'm using. Okay, so scroll down again. Let's give a padding to 1.5 rem. Here we go. So let's give a border radius to 5 pixel. Okay, save, and now we have 5 pixel in here. Okay, so let's styling the head tree, which is the login in here. Let's scroll down, say login dash title. It should be class, right? Say login dash title, say head tree. We need to change the font size to say 1.5 rem. Save, and here we go. Let's select the paragraph. So login dash title and paragraph, we need to give a margin bottom to 1.5 rem. Say font weight, let's set to bold, and text the size to something like 0.9 rem, and the color, it should be dash label color. Alright, so now let's styling the input and see right here. Say form input. We need to give the width to 100 pixel, 100%, not pixel. Here we go. Cool, right? And let's give a height to something like 2.5 rem. Let's give a border to 0.3 pixel and say solid, and the color should be border color, like so. Okay, so let's create a text indent to something like 10 pixel. It's gonna be post this placeholder, and let's create let's make the outline to none, and give a margin top to 2 pixel, and give a background to dash bg color, and for the color let's change to dash text color. Save, and this is what we have. All right, so let's see in the final project. I think we forget the lost password in here. Yeah, I forget that. I'm sorry about that, guys. So let's back to the index and let's scroll down. Let's see in the label right here. Okay, we need to just cut that out for now, and let's create a div with the class d-flex, because we are gonna implement display flex in here, because we are gonna push the where's that lost password to the right side and the label to the left side. So display flex inside in here, let's create a label. Let's just paste in the label in here, and let's create a link tag. Not go anywhere. The text should be lost, say password. Save, and now we have lost password in here. Here we go. Really cool. So let's select that form and d-flex. All right, and we are gonna implement display flex in here. So display, what the hell, display flex, and say aligned item to center. Let's say justify content, say space between, and now we have lost password to the right side. Cool. So just give a font weight to just say bold, and let's change the font size to something like 0.9 rem, and the color should be dash label color. Save, and now here it is. We don't have styling in here, so let's add we are gonna put in here, say form paragraph, and we are gonna make the just give a margin bottom to something like 1.5 rem, should be like that, and give a font weight to bold. Say font size, just make sure it's same like we did it in here, so 0.9 rem, and say the color to label color, right? So label color, save, and here we go. Let's see right here. I think we have different color in here. Yeah, we have different color. The paragraph, the login title paragraph and this label, we have a different color. So let's see, in here we have label color. It should be label color. Let's change the secondary text color. Okay, you can play around with this color. I'm not really good in color, so I just paste in everything in here because I need the time to, looking for every color in here. And we're gonna styling this lost password in here. So say form class dflex and link tag should be, yeah, just remove the decoration, remove the underline, none, save, gone. Cool. Let's change the font size to something like 12 pixel. Yeah, cool. And give a color to primary. Here we go. And let's styling just a little bit. Yeah, we need to styling the button. So btn the submit. I think we don't set any class in this button. Yeah. So let's add the class in here. So the class, it should be btn submit, save, and now we can styling the button in here. So let's change the background to primary and give a height to 2.5 rem, and the width, it should be 6.5 rem. Whoa, 6.5 rem. And let's change the wake to bold and change the color to white. Say border radius to 1.3 rem, and say border, say none, and let's change the cursor to say pointer. Save, and the height, it should be dot, not comma. Here we go. Yeah, cool. Let's styling the not registered in here. So say not regis. We are gonna say margin top to something like 3 rem, and font weight to bold. Let's set the font size something like I don't know, say 85 rem. Let's see, something wrong in here. Let's say not. Save, and there we go. Cool. So let's styling the link. Oh yeah, just give a color. Say color to secondary. Just that secondary. text color, and let's in here, let's select the link tag, and we are gonna change the color to primary. Save, and here we go. Yeah, I think we're done with the styling. So as you can see in here, all right. Yeah. In the next video, we are gonna create this switch mode button, which is the toggle right here. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, and bye.